Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have number 2 in here. We can put about 1 plus 1. So this one in here, we can put about x plus 1. Everything to the power of 2. So I need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equals to tan t, because if we put tan t go in here, you will go about tan t square plus 1, so that we can change into secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square we simplify, and later that we simplify the x. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we change for secant of t. This one we change for tan t. This one we change for tan t. Dx we change for secant of t square dt. So this one we change for secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square we change for secant of t. Later that we simplify secant of t on numerator and denominator. Secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t. Tan t square we change for sine t over cosine t. And we have the power 2. So we simplify cosine t and cosine t. And cosine t will go to numerator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine t. Du you got about cosine t dt after we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we will change for u square. This one we change for du. The integral of du over u square, you will go about negative 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that's about sine t. About t, that's about this one. So you got about t equals to r tan of x plus 1. So we put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.